get around there. You got to start the pressure washer. You got a new spark plug in. Let's see. You fixed it, boy. Oh. Good. Stop. You fixed it.
Oh.
Now you put it on run. All right, put it on start. We're troubleshooting it. All right, master nozzle.
Nozzle.
Get the water pressure nozzle.
Ooh. Yeah.
All right. Put it on start.
It's on start.
Start it, then put it on run once it starts.
Okay, Kaden.
All right, take the pressure off the water again. I gotta hold that for you.
That's cool.
Put it on start.
Yes.
Now put it on run, Katie. Sound like you smell like you flooded it. Stop. Yeah, it wasn't on start. All right, go now.
I got the pressure washer running, and this is what I do to get it working. First, I had to take the plywood cover off, and then I emptied the fuel and the oil. So then I sprayed some of the rust off of it, and I took off the carburetor and had to take the floor off and get a new one, and then I took the spark plug off and replaced it with a new one, and then after that I put everything back. I had to clean off the air filter, and then I put everything back together, put new fuel and oil in it, and now it's running.